Janine Gutierrez, walang planong layasan ang Pilipinas para maging international star. Walang plano si Janine Gutierrez. Naiwan ang Pilipinas at magsimula ng acting career sa ibang bansa. Nang makapanayam siya ng entertainment press, ay shinare nga niya kung gaano siya ka-proud sa kanyang bagong pelikula na Pantos Mia na nag-premiere sa 81st Venice Film Festival. Proud to be Filipina, talaga. Yung pakiramdam ko doon, say ni Janine. Dagdag pa niya, at the red carpet, there was a flag for each nationality. That was part of the Venice Film Festival this year. Nagpapapicture talaga ako kasi may flag tayo. We were just a small delegation from the Philippines, but there, we were all treated as equals. During our press con, we were thinking, oh my God, the other day, Angelina Jolie held her press con here. Nakakatuwa lang na everybody there loves films. They're into films. They're into actors and actresses. It was a happy environment. May isang item na nga sa kanyang dream list ang may check na dahil sa kanyang pagdalo sa oldest film festival sa mundo. That has always been my dream. Actually, even now, I'm still get comments and of course, it makes me happy when people ask, why didn't you join a beauty pageant? Even now, I still get asked that. But this is really my dream, to attend a prestigious festival. It was, I've always wanted. Pero kahit nga marami ang nagsasabi na bagay siyang bumida sa mga international movie at magkaroon ng career sa Hollywood, ay mas pipiliin pa rin daw ng actress ang gumawa ng mga pelikula sa series sa Pilipinas. I really prepare to do projects here like Pantos Mia, Lavender Fields, and hopefully that's what gets discovered internationally. I mean, not really for me to move somewhere else and start a career there. I think what I want more is if I do have a project outside, it's because of something I did here. Say ng actress. Aabangan naman ang pagpapalabas sa mga sinehan dito sa Pilipinas ng kanyang pelikulang Pantos Mia na isa na ngang obra ng award-winning director na si Direk Love Diaz. So ayun nga guys, kahit pa operan si Janine na mga international movie or Hollywood movie, ay mas pipiliin pa rin daw niya ang gawang Pilipinas dahil proud siya sa mga film ng Pilipino. Good job, Janine! Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.